Hey guys, what are you doing today? Cody, why do you sound like that? Yeah, dude, why do you sound like that? I don't know. Oh, I get it. You have the hiccups. What are hiccups? It's like something. It's something where I can't really explain it. I don't really know. You almost know everything. I'm not even close to knowing everything. How do you get rid of my hiccups? Oh, I know. Scare. Oh, okay. I'll walk out the door. What do I now? Just come to the door. Oh, okay. You do not look scary. I haven't scared you yet. Boo! Seriously? What are we gonna do now? Oh, I know. Go up the stairs. Throw me off the stairs. Yeah, maybe that will clear hiccups. Okay, I'll go jump off. I don't think it worked. I don't think it worked. Seriously? How do you like that? What? No. Ah! I think that worked. Didn't work. It worked! Woohoo! It worked. Cody? I can't believe it worked. Yeah, what do you do? I slammed my head on that door right there. Oh yeah, that worked.